What is up, YouTube? Welcome today. Which day is it? Day 325 of backtesting. Now, without delay, we should just get starting. And for some reason, I always forgot to turn on the light. So the video can look good every single time. Lights tease me. Bro, literally no way. Right, yeah. Let's get going with the backtesting. Day 325, we're going to be backtesting the inversion model 2017 data. Right, so how's the daily been looking? Your previous few days were bearish. 4 hour is slowly moving lower, so it will be good if we can displace lower. But as of now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we've been displacing her. So I'd like to go with what the 1 hour is showing me. Like, one good thing I can notice here is that we have this. Now look at this weight. Right at the open, we tap into the 1 hour gap and displace even lower. And we put in a good inversion right here. Which I think price should potentially use to go higher. So I'll be taking longs like this to get these relatively go highs. Holy moly, bruh. I hate this. I hate this. Okay, get another 5-minute gap retracement. Let's try longs again. Asia highs. We are 1-to-1 or like right here. This is a crazy drop. Looks like price going to continue all the way to this low. I don't think so. Alright. New trading day. Looks like we will get screwed on that day. So just had a run here. My next run liquidity on the daily time frame will be this. Have a 4-hour unfilled. So in a few minutes we should probably displace like this low here. Okay, this is a good 5-minute closure. So we'll inverse a couple of gaps. Here we can, I think we can try longs again. You can see that we hit a 1.28 hour pretty quickly. And even price continues higher. Bro. See if we get like a 15-minute retracement or a 5-minute, then we can try longs again. this is very good displacement, but we don't have some good entries. Maybe if we could have held that long, which would have been, well, quite good on the live account. Okay, let's go to the new trading day here. You can see this was a beautifully bullish day. We have this high here. There's a possibility that we could reject in this fair value gap here. That would be a good draw. Oh, how's ES moving here? Okay, we get this impression. I think here we can get some good shorts, because the 2 minute also, if it could hold bearish, then we can still see price deliver all the way to these lows here. And get stopped out right away. So how did the 15-minute close end up closing inside of this gap? I'd like to see how this 1 hour closes before I lose any more money on this one. Okay, it's a bullish 4 hour closure. I don't think I'll be trying longs anymore. This is a good retracement lower. I think longs are gonna happen soon, probably. Alright, here goes the inversion. We also have a 4 hour consequent encroachment retracement. And we also have this liquidity run here. Yeah, so we can try longs now. Right here, actually. So it'll be something like this, where I see price level to these highs here and these highs. Something like this. Yeah, I think we might move to break even here, because ES has already run this high. Okay, we'll close it here like this. Right, so I'm probably confident of is that we might displace like all the way here later in the day, but yeah, let's go to the new trading day. apply discretion again. Bro, stop shooting the bed. Let's see. Bro, light's not working. Okay, so on the new day, I think the idea here is quite direct that we're going to go like at these highs. Checking the 1 hour, the daily first, we can see that we tap into this fair value gap here. 4 hour displaced into this gap and started it going higher. So just that we're going like all the way to these highs. Now if we can retrace into some sort of gap, then it will be great. And then filled 15-minute here, small one. Right at open, that's what happens. Then we burst. Let's see. Damn, get stopped out right away. So it won't do anything of this. This is not a good 15-minute gap retracement. It's not a retracement. What a drop, bro. What a drop. Bro, not even retracing for me to try shorts again. Okay, now we get the SMT. Very good. So if we're bullish, we should start going higher now. Then inversion. Here is 15-minute to watch out for, and another 15-minute to watch out for. If we have like these highs here, it would be good draws. Like I'm gonna get stopped out or break even because of these 15-minute gaps. It's so obvious. Bro, we're getting cooked back to back. So we have this here and this here. So if maybe these gaps here could hold good. Okay, 15-minute closure already. Okay, I think this will be the perfect time to try longs. Since we failed here, maybe inside of this gap, like right here, get some good longs higher. You can see on the next candle inverse a couple of gaps like this one here. So probably some longs will work out, considering that we also have an SMT as well. You can have like all those highs. And we get cooked right away. Wow. Yeah, we're getting cooked back to back. I don't know. Yeah, getting absolutely cooked. It's like we don't know how to trade anymore. Yeah, AM. Okay, I'm honestly still in hopes of trying to have longs. Like all the way from this daily gap here. Let's see if my hopes are true. We have this liquidity run here. Right. Have these highs here. Bro, look at this. already have like a 2 hour. Then you can close here. If it's okay, let's see, how is ES? Is ES close to any of this or this? Yeah, obviously we should close here. New York AM, the new day, should be daily. Bro, every single time, bro. Okay, one thing I can see is that, okay, looks like this gap's gonna be shit, and it looks like this one's gonna hold, and then we're gonna go lower. So let's not keep our hopes up for that fair value gap holding for our so we have London lows that goes low. London lows here. Let's see how it goes. That's a crazy open. Still think we could try shorts. If this 4 hours could hold it, then we could go lower. I think we could try more shorts. Yeah, that's not a good closure. I think shorts will be dismissed at that point, because I want to see if we can burst through here and go all the way to these lows. But since we didn't, that's okay. I'm gonna do longs. I think we can try out actually on these shorts here. Is here we have a unfilled 15-minute. Bro, I literally can't drop. Anyways, it wasn't a continuation trade, but we need to see if we can try shorts to that gap, then see if we get long displacements higher. $50, 5-minute. Let's see, will this be it? This wouldn't be the best trade to take in this kind of situation. Yeah, it's a low hanging fruit, but it's way too risky. Yeah, okay, looks like apparently this gap is holding. Well, that's crazy. And also around these sides. Come on. So how are we gonna leave? Like, we already hit the targets. There's a 4 hour here. 1 hour could be potentially bullish. If we got inverse inside here, then longs will be good. We have London highs here. Right, where's the 4 hour? Beautifully bullish. Yes, we're gonna go higher now. Pretty soon. Bang. Bro, literal BS. New trading day. We have an unfilled gap. But bro, it would have been good if we had, look at these days, bro. Look at these longs. Then no opportunity at all. Couple inversions. We do longs. Also have this high here. Ooh. New York AM. Unfilled 1 hour. Drawn liquidity. This is not a good 4 hour. We have another unfilled. Soon enough, I might be able to trail. I think I might try shorts soon if the moves continue being like this. Maybe like on the 4 or the 5 minute, I don't know. Yeah, 4 minutes just close, so here's the short. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, get a 15-minute inversion, you can shoot another long. Something like this. Now all we gotta do is just wait for us to get stopped out, because it looks like we're gonna get stopped out with the SMTs that are on ES, the highs. They're absolutely cooked with that. What? Look at this open. New AM, the new day. We have a 4-hour gap, so there's a possibility that we could reject that gap and go here. I have a 50-minute inversion here, so I might just start going lower probably. Yeah, that's a bullish 1-hour close. We can go here. 15-minute inversion. Let's try longs, see where we can hold them to. Honestly, move to breaking out those highs. There it goes, break even. First, checking the 4-hour. We'll probably just use the 4-hour for fun to see if. let's take the 30k and go. Can see. Your KM, the new day. So we have a good 4 hour here. This one looks like we might inverse it, where we're in some sort of drop that I don't know when we'll break through it. Yeah, let's take a day off here. It looks like we end up breaking higher. There goes the draw. Then we start going lower after running this high. Then you can try shorts here, but then we've already like run these lows, bro. Two. Alright, I think now we can try shorts of the 15-minute and target these lows here, London lows. Finally, a clean trade after years of waiting. It's a very good 2 hour. And even continues lower. Yep. We can also have like can also like have take profit, wait until price like go all the way to these lows. We get another inversion, but the rules are if we get a winning trade, why risk what we made to give it back to the market? So we'd probably have something like this if we're to enter off those shorts on the 5 minute. Yeah, I think this was a good day for sure. So we might even displace all the way to these lows. It's also possible. New trading day. Oh, 1 to PM session. have good gap here for our beautiful bullish 1 hour. We're going higher as well. We have a couple of draws here. We also have this right here. So let's see if price can go there. We have a non-filled 15 minutes right here. Alright, that's a good drop. Whoa. It's like a 4 hour, not a 1 hour. Okay, get a good discount 1 hour. Now, if it's the time that we should start displacing higher. We could have something like this. IFG, longs, SL. Literal take profit will be here. Break even. Might even as well hold it, like hold it to those highs. Whoa. The next draws are way too far. I don't think holding it further will be a good idea. As you can see, no way, it ends up smacking break even. Bro, it missed take profit by a few ticks. That's crazy. Yeah. Bro, I'm pretty sure on this kind of day, I will be so angry. Well, I wouldn't. I don't take revenge trades. Like, but the amount of effort I will be investing into the gym will be crazy just to get over this trade. Uh, let's see. We've got a good SMT here. We can displace higher. Try another short at longs, which it looks like we're not gonna have that. Now we have a 4 hour bearish closure, 1 hour. It still looks bullish. So longs could still be good. Bro, we're not having anything from that. It's really nothing. Well, I could have tried longs if we inverse this, but since it's not there and the 5 minute just did its thing, where we just inverse and start going lower, looks like the 5 minute, 15 minute will inverse here. Then we obviously just continue lower then. Okay, not a bad 15 minute closure, even though there is low resistance. Okay, 2 minute in the 1 minute looks like we can have this here. Let's see if we can get those highs. Bro, literally, why is price doing this to us? Right, break even trail again. And we finally take profit after years of waiting. Alright, 1.7 hour secured. Not bad. Let's see how the rest of the day goes. Get a cool inversion. No trade. New trading day here. So the 4 is good, but there is consolidation, too much consolidation. Check the 1 hour, there are no solid PIs that are holding. As you can see, we are already in this gap here, but then we are in this gap here as well, so that's obvious consolidation. So let's see what price respects, and that's what we'll go with. If we can have some kind of continuation sort of move. Okay, good liquidity run here on the London lows. Have a liquidity run here. Let's see if we have like an entity higher here, will be a good draw. Relatively corals, wait, highs actually. No, you were about to get cooked. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, I still think it's because we're in this crazy consolidation. I wouldn't there's a gap here, there's another gap here, but then look at how choppy this is. Let's see, there is this, but will this hold? How's the 1 hour? I'm not gonna do that. New trading day, the daily still consolidating. Another gap here. Liquidity run, inversion right here. think you're gonna do longs either way. So it looks like there is no entry at all here. The price is shooting directly higher as we wanted. Now I have all the way here. This is good. Let's see, this will be good. Okay. We have an unfilled 15. Maybe it might retrace. Who knows? Let's go. There goes the 15-minute gap retracement. A 30 as well, so we should start going higher now. Oof, well, this is a heavy drop. Sure, we're not having anything. I actually think these relatively close will be good draws. Yeah, and the moment I say it, they get smacked right through. You can see we have some good couple inversions that longs will be good at, like kind of here. See right here. Of these, let's see if we can have these highs here. I think I would close it here because of this 15-minute gap. After all, it's all close to line shower. Let's close the 30K. And see, you end up hitting that target during the line shower. Took a little bit of time. Yeah. Crazy, crazy stuff. Remove these. New trading day here. Hour, nothing just yet. Well, just yet. 1 hour. I don't think there is anything here. Very small gap here. But we should long like this. This is a break even because once we run those lines, it will be like this. Bro, like, it was literally not okay. Let's see if at least it holds in that 2 hour. But as of now, long looks so crazy. 2 hour closed bearish. And what does this show us? We might head to the next unfilled gap. Like which one? Okay, actually this one was filled. Just that we have the high here is 994. 994. Yeah, so it's relatively cohesive. Can't short against that. Whole morning consolidation. Wow. Okay. That was all for today's backtesting. It's quite crazy. But see y'all next day. See y'all tomorrow. Day 326, 23rd of March. Stay blessed.